Construction Worker and the Princess. A long time ago, in a great kingdom, a kind and hard-working young man worked as a construction worker. He was helping to build a grand and beautiful mosque ordered by the Sultan himself. When the mosque was finally completed, the Sultan gave an important order. All the workers must leave. His daughter, the princess, had made a special request. She wanted to be the first person to enter the mosque and pray 2 rak'ahs in complete peace, with no one else around. The workers all left, except for one. He was running late and did not realize everyone else had gone. As he was leaving, he accidentally caught a glimpse of the princess inside the prayer hall. She stood in deep prayer, her heart connected to Allah. And in that moment, the young man was completely mesmerized. He had never seen anything so beautiful before, and without even knowing her, he fell deeply in love. That evening, he rushed home and told his mother, "Mother, I have seen the princess, and my heart belongs to her. You must go to the Sultan and ask him to let me marry her." His mother looked at him with concern. "My dear son, you are just a simple worker. The Sultan will never allow his daughter to marry you." But the young man could think of nothing else. He stopped eating, he couldn't sleep, and his heart ached. Seeing her son suffer, the mother finally decided to go to the palace. She begged the guards to let her speak to the Sultan. At first, they refused, but when she explained that her son was wasting away from sadness, they finally allowed her inside. When the Sultan heard her request, he thought for a moment, then turned to the young man. "If you truly wish to marry my daughter," he said, "you must come to this mosque every night after Isha prayer and pray alone for 40 nights. If you complete this, I will consider your request." The young man was overjoyed. This was his chance. The first night, he prayed, thinking only of the princess. The second night, the same. But as the days passed, something changed. His heart, once filled with longing for the princess, started feeling a new kind of peace. Every night, when the world was quiet, he stood before Allah, pouring out his soul in prayer. And each time, he felt something deeper, something more beautiful than anything he had ever known. 40 nights passed, then 50, then 70. The love in his heart had transformed. No longer did he dream of the princess. Instead, his heart had been filled with a love far greater, the love of Allah. Finally, the Sultan called for him. "You have completed the 40 nights," he said. "Why have you not come to ask for my daughter's hand?" The young man smiled, his heart filled with peace. "Your Majesty, before I saw your daughter, my heart was empty. She was the first beauty I had ever witnessed, and so I held on to that feeling. But through my prayers, I found a beauty far greater, one that fills my soul completely. The love of Allah is more wonderful than anything in this world. I no longer desire the princess, for my heart has found its true home." The Sultan, deeply moved by his words, nodded in understanding. The young man left, not as a husband to the princess, but as someone who had found something far more precious, a love and connection with Allah that would never fade. True love is not found in this world. It is found in the one who created it. This story teaches us about the sweetness of Iman, that to love Allah more than we love everyone and anything else, including ourselves, is what brings true happiness. You may wonder, how could loving someone more than yourself bring peace and joy? The answer is simple. Because when that love is for Allah, it fills the heart with light, contentment, and a sweetness that nothing in this world can match.